Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by explaining why you depower a Miata steering rack. You remove hydraulic assist to create direct, predictable steering feel and reduce weight. The only reliable method is a full swap to a manual rack or an OEM-style manual conversion kit designed for your chassis code. This alters steering effort and response. Expect different torque demands, possible gear ratio changes, and revised steering column coupling. Prepare to measure clearances, confirm steering wheel centering, and set and stop tolerances. Use proper tools and set expectations for higher steering effort at low speeds. Begin the procedure by draining and capturing roughly 0 to 1.5 liters of power steering fluid into an approved container. Park on level ground, lock wheels straight, and disconnect the battery. Loosen the high-pressure line at the pump with a 17 mm flare wrench, carefully relieving any residual pressure. Wear gloves and eye protection. Disconnect the return hose and remove the pump mounting bolts. Label and cap all hoses to prevent contamination. Retain mounting hardware if reusing components, and torque any reinstalled bolts to 25 ftLb to factory spec. Install the manual rack from a compatible donor or OEM manual kit, transferring tie rods and mounting brackets. Use new inner tie rod torque between 35 and 45 ftLb and outer tie rod torque between 30 and 40 ftLb. Torque steering rack mounting bolts to factory values. Reconnect the steering column coupling and ensure splines are engaged and cotter pins or retaining bolts are secure. Center the steering wheel. Set toe to 0, 10 to 0, 15 inches toe in, then check for binding through full lock. Test drive slowly to verify effort and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.